we were doing with the next error, that is preposition. Preposition again, it's a long chapter, maybe it may take 2 days. So before that, now this is the, now in some cases, Sanchari has come, okay. Now in some cases, now this sentence is important, that preposition are the easiest and the trickiest part. Now why they are easy? It auto short and simple words. Kono in spelling mistake hote na. For, in, on, than, jeevana kono in spelling mistake hote na. Of, in, for, with, without, over, under. Kono in spelling are bhul howar chance nahi. Tricky because in many cases এর কোনো রুল থাকে না, কখনো রুল থাকে, কত কোনো গাইডলাইনস আমরা করব পরে, এরপরে যদি টাইম থাকে করব নেক্সট ক্লাসে, বাট অনেক কেসে এর কোনো লজিক থাকে না। There will be no rule, no logic, no system to guide us. Most of it is governed by convention of usage. It depends on the convention of usage, no fixed rule and logic in many cases. In some cases you may have something of an idea, in many cases it has no rule or logic. That is one reason why it is difficult. And another reason is that after preposition change only, it could change the meaning. Like pass off and pass away. Pass off mean ki? After nokol taka ache, you can pass off as a real currency note. Takata nokol ache, but you can pass off as a real currency note. But pass away is, you know, Pooja, what is pass away?
মারা যাওয়া, মারা যাওয়া।
But say in English, yeah. Pass away is death. Pass off is something else. You can pass off with something which is not true. So, এবার কতগুলো preposition দেখো, সঞ্চারী, এখানে অ্যাডমিট করলাম সঞ্চারী। So you can see that in some cases these are the prepositions which have no logic. You may say in the day, but at night. In the day, there is a preposition and also there is a article. In the day, but at night. At the night, at night. Under the circumstances. These are fixed phrases. They're going to change one. Under an impression. You are under the impression. Again, join Kolona, they will say, I was under the impression that the class is on Sunday. Under some obligation. A program is always on the television. A program is always on the television. Program or news, or they're always on the television. Then we have on the committee. High important because when you're a member of the committee is not inside the committee, he is supposed to be on the committee. If I make a 5-member committee, he is always on the committee. On time. On time. In time is different, but on time means punctual, right on time. Always the time by your watch. Ekon kota baje, time by your watch. Mane time according to your watch. We don't say time in your watch. Time by your watch. By mane according to. Something is on record. Something is on record. Always say in bed, but on your toes. When you are sleeping, you are in bed. But when you are alert and upright, you are on your toes. You quarrel over some issue. Quarrel over money. Quarrel over property. You always quarrel over some money. Quarrel over. Then you have, no one is waiting. Then you have deal with a person, but deal in commodity. You deal with a person. How do I deal with Pooja? How do I deal with poor network? Supposing you are having a network problem, how do you deal with poor network? How do you deal with your father? How do you deal with your enemy? But deal in a commodity. You are dealing in rice. You are dealing in sugar. You are dealing in electronic items. You are dealing in mobile phones. Deal in is always a business. But deal with a person or a situation. compared to, it's always compared to something. One thing is compared to another, but in comparison with, it is important. In comparison with, but in comparison to, or in comparison with, but compared to. Die of a disease, die of heart attack, die of COVID-19 infection. So always you die of something. Died of heart attack, died of liver failure,
মানে
kidney failure.
মানে স্যার যখন আমরা ডেথের রিজন দেব তখন আমরা ডাই অফ দেব, তাই তো?
Die of, yeah. He died of disease. He died of a disease. He died of heart attack. He died of kidney failure. In relation to, something is in relation to. You are related to, or you are in relation to something. A person or even a statement or a theory. You always take to, not than. Prefer to, superior to.
Hello sir. Relation with তো দেয়, মানে if I am in a relationship with someone else, then ওখানে তো relation with তো
তোমার মাথায় ওটা ঢোকে? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তুমি রিলেশন দেখ, আমি অন্য জিনিস বলছি। রিলেশন তোমার ওইটাই মাথায় ঢুকলো এই সময়? আমি অন্য জিনিস বলছি। সামথিং ইজ ইন রিলেশন টু, যেরকম লজিকে একটা দুটো স্টেটমেন্ট, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট স্টেটমেন্ট ইন রিলেশন টু দ্য সেকেন্ড, আমি সেটা বলছি। A and B আছে,
আচ্ছা রিলেটেড,
A in B, a relation to B. That means A may be greater than B, A may be less than B, A may be equal to B. These are in relation to. তোমার রিলেশনশিপে নিয়ে মাথা ঘামাচ্ছি। আচ্ছা, আর ওটাও in relationship with আছে, ওটা not in relation with, in relationship. It is always যেটা you are saying in relationship. Okay. Prefer, superior, inferior, senior, junior to. We don't say than. I prefer. Say something, Pooja. One line, fast. Prefer the fast. One sentence. Prefer the.
I prefer some junk food.
Do something bolo. Duto prefer মানে দুটো জিনিস থাকবে না? Prefer মানে হচ্ছে comparison. You like something more than something. Okay. I prefer egg roll to mutton roll. I prefer chicken to mutton. You always have to say something. So it is always to, not than. I prefer chicken than mutton. I more prefer I prefer chicken more than mutton. I prefer chicken to mutton. Similarly, superior to. Someone is superior to you, inferior to you. By hook or by crook. This is the phrase. বলো।
বা prefer দিলে than বা হবে না, to হবে, তাই তো?
Prefer to হবে আর more wordটা হবে। Prefer more than, more টাও হবে না, and prefer to, senior to. By hook or by crook. It is an idiom. Sometimes we say by hook or crook. It's not by hook or crook. It's by hook or by crook. By ta dubar ache. By a person with an instrument. Means when you do something, it was done by a person with something. Suppose it was cut. The paper is cut. The paper is being cut. The paper was cut. The paper is cut by Pooja with a knife. By Pooja with a knife. By is always a person, and with is always an instrument.
Things, instrument.
Instrument. The person was murdered by his brother with a knife. Always. By a person with an instrument. Then made of. Bola. Whom you are going to murder?
Yeah. No, sir. আমি বলছি স্যার, a snake was killed by me with a stick. এরকম মতো হয়।
ওটাই বলছি। Murdered by his brother with a knife. ওটাই বলছে। Killed by, the snake was killed by me with a stick. ওটাই তো বলছি। Okay. Made of and made up of. See the difference. Made of is material. Made of iron, made of plastic, made of glass, made of steel. Made up of হচ্ছে component. অনেকগুলো জিনিস মিলে যখন তৈরি হয় component. Like air is made up of oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. এটা হচ্ছে components. Made up of. What are the components? Something is made of brass. Then brass is made up of two different metals. So made of is the material. Made of steel, made of glass, made of plastic, made of brass, made of iron. And made up of is always component. This is made up of what? Made up of 2 or 3 components. Then injurious to health. Smoking is injurious to health, but it's something tell upon your health. Tell upon mane eta খুব খারাপ influence. You can see visible খারাপ influence. দেখা যাবে তার জন্য তোমার হেলথটা খুব খারাপ হয়ে গেছে, যে বাইরে থেকে দেখলে বোঝা যাবে। It will affect her. It will tell upon your health, or tell upon her, but injurious to health. Influence on physical health. You can say cigarette has a bad influence on physical health, but influence over a person. You have an influence over the person. Mane whatever you say, he will obey. You have the influence over him. Influence over a person. Mane amar kothao shunbe, but influence on physical health. Stop or prevent someone from, আর সবসময় একটা ing verb থাকে। যেরকম stop the child from playing with fire. Stop the child from playing with fire. ing form. From টাও থাকবে, ing টাও থাকবে। Stop him from going out. Okay. The police prevented the robbery. You can say the police prevented the man from breaking into the shop. So always from and an ing verb. Ride a bike. You don't need ride on a bike. You ride a bike. You go by train. Aboard a plane, not aboard on bolbe na. 25 persons aboard a plane. Aboard মানে হচ্ছে on board. Aboard যেটা a যেটা আছে first এ, aboard means on board. So don't say on. Aboard a plane. At a plane accident হয়েছে, there were 25 passengers aboard the plane, not aboard on the plane. Or you can say there were 25 passengers in the plane, but you say aboard a plane and aboard a ship also. Now, day when you say, we always say on Sunday, on Monday, on 25th, on 20th, on 13th. Date and day is always on. Month and year is always in May, in 2020, in a month, in a year. And time is always at 3 o'clock, at 12 noon, at 5 o'clock. So day and date are on, month, year in, and time will be at. Now knock on the door. Knock on the door. Actually, no one knocks because you've got a alarm bell. You've got a calling bell actually. Fire on a person. This is the original British language, but sometimes Indian news are available fire at someone. But originally, if you listen to the British English, it will be fire on someone. Similarly, it is actually India they will shoot at sight, but originally foreign news should be shoot on sight. I owe him. Don't say I owe to him. If you owe, you owe me 500 rupees. Don't say I owe to him. I owe him. Similarly, pass an exam. Don't pass in an exam. Pass an exam or fail an exam. Pass a test or fail a test. You pass an exam, you fail an exam, you pass a test, you fail a test. In a hurry or in haste. In a hurry, in a haste now, in haste. In a hurry, in haste. Something is not lost on him. Mane he takes notice of it. আমি যা যা বলছি যদি মানে ভালো করে তোমার মাথায় ঢোকে, মানে কোনোটা ইগনোর না করো, so it is not lost on him. মানে he is taken note of that. Not lost on him. There is a fine of rupees 100 on him. There is a fine of rupees 1000 on him. According to me, but in my opinion, but in my view. According to me, but not according to my opinion. It is in my opinion or in my view. Feed on. When you talk of living things, you say feed on. Like caterpillars, they butterflies, caterpillars, they feed on leaves. Caterpillars feed on leaves. But যখন machine বলবে, যখন feed into, একটা বড় machine কয়লা দিছো, you are feeding the coal into the machine. When you are talking about a machine, we say feed into. The raw materials you feed into a machine, but living things feed on something. They live on something. They feed on. Caterpillars feed on leaves. Cows feed on grasses and leaves. Lions and tigers feed on flesh. But when you say a machine, you feed into a machine. You believe in something, but you believe a person. Believe in something, like believe in.
Sir, এরকম হবে I have belief in my own strength.
Yeah, that's what I believe in something, but you believe a person. You believe your friend. You believe your neighbor. You believe, that is, you believe him. Believe a person. You don't believe in a person, but you believe in something.
In
You
my
believe
own
in
strength.
your own strength. You can believe in some theory. So this believe in something, but believe a person. Stay in a room, or walk or rush into a room. If you are already in a room, you are staying in a room. But বাইরে থেকে ভিতরে ঢুকছো, মানে একটা মোশন যখন আছে, মুভমেন্ট যখন আছে, then you walk or rush into a room. You fall into water. You fall into trouble. So swim across a water body, but walk along a road, unless you are crossing the road. Only when you are crossing the road, you say you are walking across the road, but otherwise you are walking along a road, but swim any direction. At a swimming pool ache, you mane left to right swimming koro ba otherwise crosswise swimming koro, it is always swim across. Whenever you swim, it is always swim across. Mane ei par theke oi par, that's what we mean. From this end to that end, in whichever direction it could be. Or mode lamba chauda kichu thake na, no length and no width, no breadth. Konta long, konta broad, it is always swim across a lake or a swim across a river, or swim across the English Channel, but walk along the road, unless you are crossing the road. This is the, certain things, they are fixed. It's not the exclusive list. These things you cannot change, and you can't ask why, because this is the more of a convention rather than rule. But we will give you some rule. Actually, we will be giving you some rule here. Sorry, not this one. We will give you some rule, that is, if I can finish, whatever I can finish, I'll do. Preposition, it is a rule, it is more of a guideline. It is more of a guideline. So, not always that they are true. Don't think they are always true. This is more of a guideline. So in guidelines, we have, okay. You can see the screen, all of you? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, these are the things where in is used. It is general guideline. One meaning can be inside. He is in the room, inside. Keep it in the fridge. I did not find it in the drawer. That's always inside. Fishes live in water. The seats in the bus are all torn. And all these are referring to inside. A part of. Inside or outside, a part of. You are in the team, but actually you are on the committee. That is interesting. You are in the team, but you are on the committee. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in air. I think there was some poison in the food. At a part, it forms a part. Both his parents were great artists. It is in his blood. There are 7 days in a week. At a week at a stretch, inside, outside, but this is a part of that. I'm not interested in politics. Tumar jotokono interest ache, all your hobbies. So within that, politics is not there. So it's largely a question of a part of. So inside, outside, physical inside, outside, but it's a part of. Next we have in place. I live in London. A great civilization was discovered in Harappa. He lives in the next town. Weeds grow very fast in my garden. It's just a place. The office is situated in the heart of the city. You can have an enclosure is inside and outside, but it is a part of it. It is just a place, location. For year and month, I was born in 1958. Pooja was born in? Pooja?
1994.
1994. Okay. Dale? Koto? 36 years. So he was, it was in the month
No,
of
sir,
May.
36.
Hello?
No, sir, 36. No, sir, 26.
Oi. 94 बोले तो.
हाँ.
So 94 থেকে 58 minus करो. এই maths হচ্ছে. 94 থেকে 58 মাইনাস কত 36 হচ্ছে
ও আচ্ছা স্যার এটার কথা বললেন ও আচ্ছা
কিসে বললাম আমি আচ্ছা ইওর এজ ওকে ওকে না তোমার এজে কোন রিলেশনশিপের ব্যাপার আছে ওকে I was born in 1958 I was in the month of May it was in the month of May sorry it was in the month of May it will be very cold in December I last visited my aunt in 2016 there are 30 days in September always in for year and month a date is on 23rd on this one then we have relation property or quality in an equilateral triangle all the angles are equal ekhane inside outside এর ব্যাপার নেই in an equilateral triangle all the angles are equal it just relates to the property the equilateral triangle এর property টা হচ্ছে all the sides and all the angles are equal so it is a relation or a property of the triangle inside and outside এর ব্যাপার your dress is red in color কালারের ভিতরে রেড থাকে না কালারের ভিতরে রেড নয় it is not inside and outside okay it is not red in color he was lost in deep thoughts water is found in liquid solid and as well as vapor state এই যে তিনটে state so in that state এটা ভিতরে বাইরে কোনো ব্যাপার নেই I have checked the papers and they are in order means everything is okay time limit he managed to reach in time for lunch देखो on time or in time तफावत देखो on time माने the correct time whatever time he was given that time in time माने somehow माने he was late but somehow he did not miss somehow he was able to reach in time এটা হচ্ছে on time and in time এর difference on time माने right on time the correct time and in time माने somehow you manage within the you don't miss it হয়তো লাস্টে খাবার জন্য খুব লেটে পৌঁছেছে বাট খাবারটা আছে আর একটু দেরি করলে খাবারটা শেষ হয়ে তোমাকে বাসন মাজতে বলতো so not that but you have been able to reach in time somehow within the time but still you are late or on time মানে exactly if you are asked at 7 o'clock you have reached 7 o'clock on time means punctual in time means the limit within that limit okay I'll be there in 10 minutes that means within 10 minutes the limit it can be 9 minutes it can be 8 minutes but within 10 minutes that's the limit given how did you solve the Rubik's cube in such a short time at a limit actually you have to crack this puzzle in 3 minutes so 3 minutes is the outside limit you can do it in 2 minutes you can do it in 2.5 minutes you can do it in 1.5 minutes is the time limit which is given 3 minutes the magician made the egg disappear in no time within no time very quickly so there is a time limit not the exact time but the time limit which is given then we have in may be used in phrases do not put in your papers now put in your papers means resign when you resign from a job we call put in your papers he did him in means he murdered him you know that those who read story books they will know he did him in actually he killed him or murdered him don't give in don't yield he readily fell in with my suggestion fell in agreement he fell in with my suggestion fell in with my suggestion means agreed to my suggestion don't get in my way don't get in ulto hoye jay don't come inside the room don't get in my way means don't block my way don't hinder my way মাঝখানে disturb করছে বা কোনো বাধা দিচ্ছে so don't get in my way condition he is in great need of money it's a condition ভিতরে বাইরে কিছু নেই there is no question inside and outside he is in great need of money the child is in high spirits he is in severe pain I am in a dilemma sometimes people read as dilemma I am in a dilemma we are in a hurry সেটা বলে দিলাম in a hurry in haste so these are the next in is used to arrange in a shape or form stand in a straight line একটা shape বলছি stand in a straight line make the boys stand in a big circle it is a shape or a form cut this sheet in two large V shapes so you have to cut that sheet into two two parts, and that will be in V shapes. It is the form or shape. Roll out the dough in proper shapes. Pooja, roti karo. Padite, Pooja?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So roll out the dough in proper shapes. You know that. জানো তো কি
Yes.
কালকে একজন বললেন না কালকে না পরশু দিন we were having the 3:30 class when someone was saying they can't make the roti in round shape. So roll out the dough in proper shapes. Write the differences in a tabular form. In a tabular form, column kore. মাঝখানে দাগ কেটে column kore. Write the differences in a tabular form. The shape or form. Divide or separate. কিভাবে divide or separate করবে দেখো. Sort these potatoes in two heaps. মানে পুরো potatoes you have to divide, separate into two heaps. Break the stick in 3 pieces. Also you can say into 3 pieces. The equator divides the earth in 2 hemispheres. You can also say into 2 hemispheres. Men and women are requested to stand in separate lines. Again, of course, you can't say into. In separate lines means you are separating them. Men act a line, women act a line, so you are separating them. Put the items in different shelves according to their prices. So that is the. Then arakta ache. No, arakta nahi, but then we have with on. On a hobby kina because it is showing 10 minutes. Let me see what happens. So then I'll have to switch off and then start again. Okay. Now this one on there. On means touching the outer or upper surface of anything. Write the answers on the blackboard. When you're writing, your chalk or marker pen touches the blackboard. You are the whiteboard, of course, when you are using the marker pen. It is touching the board. So when it touches the surface, you say write the answers on the board. Do not scribble on the walls. When you are writing at a pencil, you are writing something on the walls. So your pencil is touching the walls, on the walls. A ship floats on the sea because it is touching the surface of the sea. I mean, actually, it doesn't touch. A small part will be inside water, but a large part will be outside water. The porter carries a luggage on his head. The luggage will touch his head. Is the fan ki bolbe? Fan ke bolbe on your head? What will you say? The fan is above your head. The ceiling fan is above your head. It's not touching your head. But when you have a porter or a coolie, then the luggage is on his head. There is a stain on your sleeve. Shirt it is touching the surface. Figuratively resting on. I have applied for leave and now it depends on the boss. Boss depend boss figuratively. He is financially dependent on his brother. Brother financially. There is too much work pressure on her. Work pressure chapta or upore ache. Do not base your decision on unreliable reports. I don't have any views on this issue. There depends on physically touch kore na kintu conceptually touch kore. On is used in date and day. We always said on a Sunday, on the 10th of this month. We have already said. Then based on or related to a subject. Write an essay on a visit to the zoo. That was your topic. The subject. Write an essay on. She is doing research on breast cancer. Research on something, topic. The parliament will debate on the bill. Have you seen the latest news on the war or on the corona, you can say? Is there any new development on the issue? It is a topic. Then time. Always be on time. In time a difference always be on time. The train arrived at the destination right on time. It was not late. Why don't trains run on time? They're always late. On time. They're not never on time and never on the right time. On the appointed day, he appeared for the interview. On. Day on. I want the delivery of my laundry on time. No delay. Late hobe na, on time. Aim but target. The police fired on the protesters. It also aim but target. Take a careful aim and hit right on the eyes of the toy bird. Aim. Aim right on the eyes of the toy bird. You have hit the nail on the head. You have put your finger on one of his weak spots. I am on my way to the office. because office is your target or destination. You're on your way to the target. On in phrases, on the move, on the verge of, on the whole, on an average, take on the opposition. As an adverb, egono preposition, egono adverb. Go on. Go on means go forward. Carry on means continue. This is an adverb. From now on, means now onwards. From now onwards. Keep on saying something. Again and again, it say the same thing. Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. Switch off the fan. Idu adverb. On can be used when you are a victim. There is a fine of 1,000 rupees on him. The entire responsibility fell on the young boy. He is a victim. Responsibility. The doctor has put him on a low-fat diet. Low-fat diet on something. I was determined to avenge the death of my father on him. He is the revenge devil, so he is the target. The manager put all the blame on his assistants. They are the victim. They may be true or false, but they are the victim. Put the blame on someone. Then others, they are cook it on low flame. You can also say cook it over a low flame. The house is on fire. Or he set the house on fire. He did not take my advice on the top of it. He insulted me too. On the top of it, he did not even take my advice on the top of it. In addition, he insulted me. The football match will be telecast on the channel. Always on a TV channel.
Television.
On the television, on the channel. There's a very good program on the television. So we have these are the cases where we have on. Baki preposition we will do next class. So now say anyone wants to say something. We have just 4 minutes left. Fast. We have just 4 minutes left. Come. Anyone wants to say something? Subranil. Anything?
No, sir.
Hello? Say something if you want to say. What do you want to say?
No, sir.
Okay. This PDF. It actually PowerPoint PDF file it may take some time. Srijit, anything? Srijit of course can't talk. Or microphone the problem he can't talk. So Sanchari, Sanchari, bolo. Sanchari কি ঠিক আছে
মানে বুঝতে পেরেছি আমি
আচ্ছা বলে আমার পড়ান ঠিক আছে আর পাসিং এ জাজমেন্ট অন সো
না মানে ঠিক আছে মানে আমার প্রবলেম হচ্ছে না
then Redmi Pooja
No sir, no problem.
No sir, okay. Sayan, it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Now actually this my proposition is tricky because mainly jara first say bollam it largely depends more on convention than on rule, but in some cases on the surface in kichu ekta amra guidelines dite pari, some form of guidelines dite pari, ei bhabe hoyto kono boite pabe na, eta egono তৈরি করে তো করতে হয়, জিনিস পাবে এরকম classified পাবে না, এটাকে তৈরি করতে হয়. So we will be sending you the PDF file. It will take some time. রোজ আবার WhatsApp করনা আমি পাইনি বলবে, as we have to make the PDF file. It will take some time. So again tomorrow we are meeting for reasoning. Okay.
Okay sir. Okay.
Okay, we are meeting for reasoning. Bolo, anything
So
else?
same time.
Same time, always 12 o'clock. Amader time same. Amader time সবসময় same থাকে. It is always 12 o'clock. Okay. So we have just we have 2 minutes. We can talk a little. 2 minutes. Anything? Pooja and Sanchari, the কথাই বলে না. Okay, say. Pooja is in a relationship. Sanchari কি অবস্থা? You are also in a relationship? Sanchari?
Nothing like that. ওখানটা জাস্ট আমার চোখে পড়লো, তার আগে আমি মাইক্রোফোন আমি তো অন হয়েছে, হ্যাঁ আমি জাস্ট ওটাই খুললাম, দেখলাম ওটা পড়াচ্ছেন, তাই জন্য আগে কয়েকটা মিস হয়ে গেছে।
না ওর রিলেশন বলতে রিলেশনশিপটাই মনে হলো, আর কিছু মনে হলো না।
মানে ওটা আমি জাস্ট ফোনে আমি ইয়ারফোনটা দিলাম, আমি ওটাই দেখলাম, আমি তাই জন্য মানে তার আগে কি ছিল আমি দেখিনি।
ইয়ারফোন আগে দেবে তো, আগে তো দিয়ে তারপরে করবে না, তো আগে
না স্যার, এটা না ডাইরেক্ট কানেক্ট হয় না, এটা কিছু আবার একটা অপশনে গিয়ে কানেক্ট করতে হয়।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ডাইরেক্ট অপশনে অসুবিধা হয় অনেক সময়, 12টার সময় অন হয়েও 12টা 5-10 বেজে যায় জয়েন
আমি
করতে
তো তাই জন্য
না,
ফার্স্টে
তুমি এক কাজ করো, 5 মিনিট
আবার
আগে থেকে জয়েন করবে। আমি যদি নাও খোলে তুমি ওয়েটিং রুমে থাকবে, ওখানে দেখাবে ইউ আর ওয়েটিং রুম। আমি খোলার আগেও তুমি জয়েন করতে পারো, খুব আগে না, তুমি কি আধ ঘন্টা আগে জয়েন করবে, বাট তুমি 5 মিনিটস আগে যদি কানেক্ট হয়ে যায় 2 মিনিটস তুমি ওয়েটিং রুমে থাকবে। ইউ ক্যান ইভেন কানেক্ট বিফোর তোমার মিটিং জানা আছে, ইউ ক্যান জয়েন বিফোর। ওকে, so okay, so tomorrow all of you are coming, same meeting ID, same password. Shubranil, what happened? I can't hear your voice. Shubranil, okay, so we are ending the meeting and thank you all of you again. Tomorrow you join it. Okay,
okay sir, thank you
very much.
bye.